China is strongly concerned over India's decision to ban Chinese app. Chinese government is seriously concerned over India's decision to ban 59 Chinese apps developed by Chinese companies, and on Tuesday expressed that New Delhi has the responsibility to uphold the legal rights of international investors, including Chinese. Right after the Indian government took a firm stand and decision to put a ban, the first reaction of the Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Zhao Lijian comes saying that China is seriously concerned and verifying the situation. We want to stress that Chinese government always asks the Chinese businesses to abide by the international and local governing laws and regulations, he said. Amid the ongoing border tension with China in eastern Ladakh, the center on Monday banned 59 Chinese apps including TikTok, UC Browser and the other Chinese apps detrimental to the sovereignty, integrity and the defense of the country. Now let's just look at some numbers that created a ripple in the Chinese market. TikTok has 119 million active users in India, where it has been downloaded 323 million times. India's share in active TikTok user globally is over 15%, and in terms of download, Indian market share is over 21%. TikTok 2019 revenue came to 176.9 million USD, this excluding non-iOS Chinese revenue. You can do the math to understand the impact of one right decision of New Delhi. This is quite a surgical strike, and Chinese were not ready for this. Just for numbers' sake, China's home contribution to TikTok's success is only 50%. A senior official at IT Ministry said that the prime reason to block the apps under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act is to stop the violation and threat to the security of the state and public order and to plug the data leaks. Almost all the apps have some preferential Chinese interest. Few are from countries like Singapore, however, the majority have parent companies that are Chinese. These moves will safeguard the interest of millions of Indian mobile and internet users. This decision is a targeted move to ensure the safety and sovereignty of Indian cyberspace, Ministry of Information and Technology said. That is all for now. For more news that's absolute truth, please log into www.insamachar.com. Please take care and stay safe. Good night.